Good morning everyone. Today I am here for you with second stanza of the poem Written in March by William Wordsworth. As I explained in stanza 1, the Written in March is a nature-centric poem which tries to bring out the beauty of changing season. So let's start second stanza of the poem. The next 10 lines go like this. Like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated, and now doth fare ill on the top of the bare hill. The ploughboy is whooping anon anon. There is joy in the mountain, there's life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. The rain is over and gone. Come to the first line. Snow is compared to a defeated army. Okay, you can see here the snow hath retreated. Retreated means moving back. Defeated, army defeated. Mean when army, when army defeated by their opponents, it moves back. Okay, and same as snow goes back when spring comes. So in the first two lines, in these two lines, snow is compared to a defeated army. As it retreats, mean moves back, and spring takes over the earth. Now without the snow, the hill is bare and open to change. It means there is no any vegetation on the hill. The bare hill will be covered in greenery and flower in no time as the springtime begins. The ploughboy is whooping anon anon. Ploughboy is an archaic word, it means country boy, and anon anon is also archaic words. It means very quickly. So you can see here, a ploughboy is excited with the change in seasons as he goes around with joy. The mountain and fountains seem to come to life as spring takes over the harsh winter day. Harsh means very difficult day of the winter. The skies are blue and clear with small clouds moving smoothly. Sailing means moving smoothly. And prevailing means existing at a particular time. You can see here prevailing, existing at a particular time. The day of rain, winter and harsh time means difficult time are over and gone. So the first stanza expresses the essence of nature. Okay? And the second stanza gradually shows the changing time with the changing season, accounting the nature's reaction to the positive change. Okay, so students, listen this video 2 or 3 times and do stanza comprehension keywords in your notebook. I'll send you keywords with their meaning and stanza comprehension in school app. Do all work in neat handwriting in your notebook. Okay, bye bye.